Cryptobites in the Philippines, Batangas, Subic, Bay, Lola, all the way to Bohol. Now we go global to Dubai, Abu Dhabi, the Middle East, Taiwan and Singapore.
Remembering why we started in the first place.
Teaching minds, building futures everywhere we go. On the charts, on the screens, in every community. 2020 Fornium GMMG, shaping global opportunity. GMMG, digital Dubai was born.
Are you a beginner trader, tired of hype and ready to learn? Bullish scenario for the most part, when obviously from an equities perspective and crypto perspective.
Habibi, everyone.
A matter of fact, we have recently launched our English-only courses, which
Magandang umaga, Manong Ray. Sa mga nakikinig sa inyo. Magandang umaga po.
Trend is life. The easiest way to earn in the market is to ride the trend.
And we were named Blockchain Educator of the Year by the Blockchain Council of the Philippines. And we received Alpha Voice Award and Top Affiliate of the Year by OKX. From class, from community, from charts to real estate. Education is empowerment, that's the standard we maintain. From the Philippines to the world, this is how legends are built. Not by luck, but by showing up, refusing to quit. Charting new territories, building CMM unities. This is more than trading. This is a movement, a legacy. And we were named Blockchain Educator of the Year by the Blockchain Council of the Philippines. And we